a very important tip about loss of a loved one or a death in the family. Yes, it's not easy when a family member or loved one or even family, friends, close friend dies. It's like we feel very sad, helplessness, frustration, and like a part of our heart is feel has gone with them. And yes, it is not easy. It is very, very exhausting, and also a lot of sadness we get, emotional turmoil. Sometimes it's not easy to handle. There are so many things suddenly come up when a family member goes, as I've seen a lot of losses of loved. I've experienced a lot of loss of loved one. I lost my mom of cancer when I was very young, and it's not been easy. So that time, of course, you don't even know what is that time. You don't even know what is death. So then, of course, also I've lost the people. But what I'm trying to say is, yes, we do what we could. We pray for the soul, whatever is needed, rituals and all. But once the person is no more, we should not keep the person's snap in the house. We keep it like the table or something. We have to close it and keep it inside. Why? Because when a person dies, the person's journey with you is over, it's gone. So, and if we keep seeing the snap when they are there, then it's troubling the soul, and the soul will not rest in peace and go to the desired place where it has to go. So and they say that you have to learn to let go. I know it's not easy, but why should it always be physical? It is in our hearts, that's more important. So they say that the soul doesn't rest in peace when we keep the snap and we keep looking at the snap, because directly the journey is over, and we are still, that attachment is there towards the person, and the person cannot go so much. So that's what. And also they say, of course, you have to, like, everyone does cry and you release a lot of emotions, but too much sadness also over time, missing the person, is not good, because they say again we are troubling the soul and it's hurting the soul. We are not allowing the person to go up, and we are being attached and still letting him or her, whoever, leave this earthly life. But the person has to go, so it's very important you know to let go. I know it's not easy, but sometimes we have to slowly do it gradually. Initially you can't do it, because even I've done it, and I have seen that I feel more at peace with myself, and I know wherever the person is, my mom or whoever I have lost is happy wherever the person is. So please do this, and please forward this video to whoever you want, because this is very important for every person to know that yes, it is painful. I'm not saying that it will come easy or it will happen overnight, but slowly just let go and just close your eyes and cut cords with the person and just let the person go. And trust me, after some time you will also start feeling better. Initially you will feel like it's difficult and all, but you will feel a sense of peace, and that person, your soul or whoever the family member is or friend, will also be at peace. So thank you so much, and please forward this video to your family and friends and make them aware of this important thing. Thank you.